sorry. This is the direction I decided to go, man. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to you guys with another video. In today's video, we are going to, so I was thinking, right? Make sure y'all watch yesterday's video and video before that, so y'all can stay tuned to the videos I upload every single day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. But and hit that notification bell. But I was thinking, my partner brought it up to me. He was like, man, why don't you just, because I was telling him, like I told y'all in the last video, I'm like, this car is cool. It's cool, it drive good, you know what I'm saying? But I guess it just ain't the Pontiac, y'all, and I kind of paid for it, and I don't know, I kind of felt like I shouldn't have bought it. But it's cool, it's cool, it's cool, but you know what I'm saying? We went to Frank in yesterday's video, remember? Well, maybe, hopefully it was yesterday's video, but it's still the same day. But he said he was gonna charge like $700 to pull it out, and maybe like $250 for if he got to paint the door and all that. But my partner, came out. He was like, man, why won't you just try to put another door on and sell it? I was like, damn, I wonder if the door would close like that. You feel me? Like, I wonder if the door would close. I'm about to get out here and show y'all. I'm about to start taking the door off, like start taking the fender off. I'm not gonna be able to finish it today. Got something else to do, but I'm gonna start taking the fender off, and I need to remove the whole fender so I can get to the door. So I'm gonna try to remove the whole fender today. That's what I'm gonna attempt to do if I got enough time to do it. And we just gonna try to slap another door on there. Hopefully I can find the same color. If not, okay, I will have Frank paint it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Because that's still cheaper than, well, he'd have to paint that whole side, he said. I don't know. So I'm gonna just try to put a door on, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully I can find the right color door. You know what I'm saying? That color shouldn't be too hard to find or nothing like that. I'm gonna try to put a door on and just call it a day. But anyway, man, make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Y'all interested in learning how to buy and sell cars, how to properly inspect cars, because again, doesn't matter what I buy, doesn't matter if I pay too much, it doesn't matter, everything's gonna be able to drive home. I can't say that for everybody out there who buys cars at the auction. You feel me? I can't say that because your shit on the side of the road with the sticker on it. Y'all ever seen the cars on the side of the highway with the orange or the blue green stickers on them? That's probably gonna be your car. You try to go to the auction and try to buy you something. Trust me. Make sure you go to wehustledaily.com. But let's go out here and mess with this Mustang. Okay, so here is the Mustang, y'all. And there's the door again, the ugly door. So this is the only thing that's going on. Like I showed y'all, I'm gonna actually move the car real quick. Somebody take my parking spot, but I mean, like, if the door is closing now, like, why wouldn't it close if I put a new door on, right? That's what my partner said, and I'm like, yeah, you right, bro. Like, why wouldn't it close? I mean, see, this is the thing, like, it'll close. I don't know, man. Let's just take the fender off and see what we got. Let me move this car. Okay, now y'all can get a way better view. So, but I'm just trying to see, like, if it'll close with this door on, right? It'll close with this door. So when we get the new door, it's gonna go straight down. So, like, I don't know, but it still may close, y'all. It still may close, and then on this side, you can see that it's a little bent out right here. So you gotta take the fender off to get the door off. So I'm about to take the fender off, you feel me? And yeah, y'all can watch me do that real quick. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with that. And then, cause you're gonna need to get these bolts right here, and these bolts are like in the fender. So you gotta take the fender off to get there. So let's get started with that. Let's get it. Okay, let me tell you what we got so far. We took that bolt out, that bolt out, that bolt out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We took the headlight out, which is nothing but these. You pull up on these right here, pull up right here, pull up on it, headlight comes out. This next thing I'm looking at is probably damn, I think I can get that from right there. Y'all probably can't see it, so yeah, let me set the camera up, and I'm about to take the fender liner out. Got a couple of little things on the fender liner, so let me take those out. fender off. Fender's off. I'm gonna put it back on, like lay it back on, because I'm not taking the door off today. But I just wanted to see what the bolt sizes was for the door. And they look like they're just going to be, because I'm gonna take it from the hinge itself. So this might be like a, it wasn't that bad, it was just tedious. And it's a, to get the door hinges off, it's a 13. So, I don't know, I might put the fender liner back on. I think I'll put everything back on, as long as the door go in there straight. So, we gotta get another door. Hopefully I can find the same color, but it really only looks as though it's 4 13mm bolts, and something you gotta unplug from here, as a matter of fact. I forgot all about that, but I'm done for right now, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. And yeah. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Okay, Hustle Nation, it is the next day after I did that fender thing there, took the fender off. Now, I'm about to pull up to 2 junkyards. I'm about to tell y'all how I'm about to do this. Oh, you know what? I didn't even look at the other ones. That's crazy. Probably can look on the website. Damn. I don't know why I only looked at one location to see if I can find the door. So I'm about to see if I can find a door at 2, and then I got to get back online and make sure, look at all the locations around town to make sure. But I'm about to go in here and look, see if I can find a door. Same color. I'm not buying a different color door. I already decided. Y'all, okay, listen, after thinking about it, man, I ain't gonna lie. Shit, I actually posted the Mustang yesterday, actually. So, you know, I might just give it to somebody, just try to sell it like that, you know what I'm saying? And if I could just gotta make my money back, then I will. I know I'll make my money back for sure. I wouldn't take nothing less than my money back. I'm gonna try to make a couple of dollars from my time, but at this point, I'm just not feeling the Mustang, y'all. It's just, I'm just not, you know what I'm saying? I just not, I made a mistake buying it, I feel. It's cool, but it just ain't my thing, you know what I'm saying? I think it got hit too bad. I don't like the car enough to fix it. That's all it really is. So, that much to fix it. So, I'm about to pull up over here, see if they got a same color door. I'm about to say, now, if they don't got the same color door, y'all probably gonna see me put the fender back on. I'm not gonna put that fender liner back on just because it's gonna save me some time. And they're gonna have to take it off anyway, right? And put the door, and they're gonna have to take it off anyway to put the, you know what I'm saying, a new door on. So for whoever buy it. But I actually posted it yesterday in a different state, and somebody's actually thinking about coming out. So shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna sell it to him. I'm gonna look and see if I can find a door though. But shit, well, since I did it, I'm gonna look and see if I can find a door. Hopefully a door will fit in this car. But yeah, so I'm pulling up and pull apart. I'm gonna go in here real quick by myself just to look on the little thing, just to see if they got it. And before I even, yeah, just to see if they got it. 150 for the door. Is it the same color? Okay, so we might have found the door. I might not even have to go in here and work. 150 for the door. Shit. Oh no. We gonna see. If it's the same color, I probably will get it. Yeah. But alright, so let me go and pull apart and see if I can find it. My partner just might have found me a door though, so we gonna see. And by the way, we in trusty Karen today, saving that good old gas. That's why I say, man, I can't sell Karen right now, bro. For driving that damn Pontiac, you will spend $50 every 2 days. It's crazy. Okay, Hustle Nation, and I think I'm going to. So they didn't have it. They had white. They had white, silver, black, and red. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is what I'm gonna do. Y'all probably gonna be mad and y'all probably gonna say it was a waste, and yeah, it was a waste, but man, people actually been like, they still kind of hitting me up in after I posted it just like that. So I'm gonna go home, get on the computer, my mama's computer real quick. I probably could do it on my phone. I'm gonna get on my mama's phone real quick, and I mean I'm gonna go home, get on my mama's computer. I probably can do it from the phone. But I'm gonna see if I can find a gray door. That color is gray according to the title. I ain't know what the hell color that was, but it's supposed to be gray. So, yeah, then I ain't even gotta work hard. My partner said he found a white door. He did say he found a white door, but we gotta go all the way to goddamn to get it. I mean, that's cool, but he like, man, I don't think the door gonna close. I don't know if the door gonna close or not. It might close, it might not close. I don't know. But if it don't close, I mean, which is still cool, because he said he about the pull apart. I can go back and get you know, take the door back and get a credit, and he about a credit off me because he always is at pull apart and stuff. But man, I'm gonna just see if they got it, they got it. If not, I'm not about to waste no time and try to find no door. Basically, we ain't gonna be rebuilding this one most likely, y'all. We probably most likely today probably gonna go home and put this shit back together and call it a day. But I'm gonna let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Like I tell y'all, I show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. I shouldn't have bought the Mustang. It's cool, it drive, but I just don't like it like that to keep it or to really fix it like that. I just ain't got no motivation to fix that car, you know what I'm saying? But unlike the Pontiac, where the Pontiac is finished and I ain't even posted it online yet, because I actually like the Pontiac, you feel me? I'm gonna post it online just to see, because if they hit me up about this, I know they gonna hit me up about the Pontiac. And by the Pontiac being cammed and all of that, you know what I mean? We gonna be going, we not, man, that Pontiac pretty fast, bro. I ain't gonna flex to y'all. You know what I'm saying? It ain't the fastest car I drove in the world, but it is pretty quick. So I'm gonna, I probably can do it from my phone. I'm gonna look and see if I can find this door, y'all, and if not, then I'm gonna tell y'all, and then we're gonna go back home, put that damn fender back on, and call it a day. So see y'all in a second, man. Let y'all know what your boy Big Play Ray gonna do, dog. Let y'all know in 1 second. Damn, look like they trying to put a wide body on that Challenger, ain't they? Yup, look like they trying to. The Copart guys, man. Okay, and we got the fender back on, y'all. Got the fender back on. I did not put the fender liner on, and I'm not going to put the fender liner on. I just made it easier them for when they, you know, fix the car. You gotta take the fender off to get to the the door anyway. So I'm done with this thing, man. It's over with. Project ending early for the Mustang. I don't want to deal with the Mustang, y'all. So I'm about to drive this back over there to my mom's crib, go get Karen back, and I might actually move the Pontiac right here. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, guys. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. Sorry if y'all wanted to see the Mustang. I'm sorry, but I just don't want to deal with it, man. I'm about to park it in my mom's house, leave it, and really wait until somebody just come and buy it. I'm not about to drive it or anything, y'all. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Love you guys. Like I say, as always, it's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. Sorry, this is the direction I decided to go, man. I'm out of here. Peace.